Your child's booster seat is a lie. Many popular models pass the basic test, but fail in a real-world side impact collision. We consulted with a certified child passenger safety technician and analyzed hours of crash test footage to find the truth. What we discovered about a best-selling brand will make your blood run cold. But the number one pick, its safety technology is so advanced, it's in a league of its own. Stay until the end, because the choice you make could be the most important one of your car ride. Starting at number 1. Cybex Solution G2 Booster Seat. Best overall. Our tester loved this car seat so much, she considered purchasing a second one for the family's other car. Standout features include a reclining headrest, convenient folding for storage, and a straightforward latch system. The headrest provides enhanced support for kids while they nap in the car, offering added ergonomic comfort and improved safety. Our tester raved about the portability of the seat as well, saying, "It's easy to carry and easy to install, taking less than a minute to get into place." She also loved the red and green color indicators that signal whether the latch is secured. We're big fans of the seat's materials. The seat is GreenGuard Gold certified, meaning the material adheres to the world's strictest standards for chemical emissions. The removable fabric cover is also machine washable for convenient cleanup. Our tester toddler is a messy eater and leaves crumbs everywhere, even when he's not eating. But, after the testing period, the seat showed no signs of wear or discoloration. Number 2. Perego Viaggio Flex 120. Best with latch. We found this Perego booster well made and convenient. It took our tester just a few minutes to install via latch. We also like how portable it is, especially for a high-back booster. It folds into a compact bundle for convenient storage and transport. You can even buy a travel bag for it. With just an occasional wipe down, it looked new even after weeks of testing. Our tester appreciated its padded headrest and ability to recline without moving the seat, making longer car rides more comfortable. The headrest, backrest, side protections, and seat can all be adjusted independently for a more personalized fit. Safety features like kinetic pods to absorb impact forces and a reinforced aluminum back add a nice sense of security. Number 3. Chicco MyFit Zip Harness Plus Booster Seat. Best with 5-point harness. Versatile and comfy, the Chicco MyFit grows with your child thanks to its 5-point harness and belt positioning system, as well as 9 headrest positions for recline positions and 2 positions for the bottom harness strap. In testing, our kids enjoyed the independence of buckling themselves in, the conveniently placed cup holders, and the cushy seat. We found installation straightforward, bubble levels help achieve the proper angle, while latch compatibility means it's secure. Our tester said this seat has improved features compared to others they've used. Where other car seats are bulky and the harness flimsy, this seat is sleek and the harness comfortable and sturdy, our tester noted. Number 4. Britax Highpoint 2-Stage Belt Positioning Booster Seat. Best for big kids. Parents of growing children who need a reliable, comfortable booster with long-term adjustability for daily commutes and road trips will appreciate that this Britax booster is one of the few options that can accommodate kids up to 120 pounds and 63 inches tall. That means they can stay safer for longer. Testers found it lightweight and painless to transfer between vehicles. Our tester's child was comfortable and fell asleep on it many times. The seat shell, foam-lined headrest, and side cushions absorb energy in case of impact, while a 9-position headrest ensures correct positioning. It features armrests, a machine-washable cover, and dishwasher-safe cup holders. Number 5. Graco Tranzitions 3-in-1 Car Seat. Best convertible. This 3-in-1 booster grows with your child, from a harness booster car seat to a high back to a backless. As a harness booster, it supports kids between 26.5 and 65 pounds, up to 49 inches tall. As your kid grows, the seat easily transitions to a high-back booster seat, then to a backless booster that can support little ones between 40 and 100 pounds and 43 and 57 inches tall. Although the $149 list price is pretty affordable to begin with, the seat is an even better deal when you consider how long you can use it for. You think it'd be a hassle to transition between so many modes, but our tester found it to be effortless. It is really simple to adjust the seat, very intuitive, she says. It's also very portable for families who use rideshares often or have multiple cars. Our tester mom says, "I had to switch cars a few times, and it was easy to move back and forth. Installation only takes a few minutes, too, adding to the convenience." And that's your definitive guide to safety and comfort on the road. We've done the deep dive so you can drive with confidence. All the direct links to purchase these top-rated booster seats, plus any exclusive discount codes we've secured, are in the description below. If this video brought you peace of mind and saved you hours of research, please show your support by liking this video and sharing it with every parent you know. Subscribe to the channel and hit the bell for more crucial, in-depth parenting gear reviews. Let's keep our most precious passengers safe. Thanks for watching.